Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nuri Rahmania. I come from 19 Junior High of Surabaya, and today I will be showing you how to make batik. However, before I do that, let me explain some of the process of batik. The first process is making the sketch. The sketch is very important for batik since it determines what motif what design you're using for the batik. The second process is the molding. You use chanting and wax for this, and you have to mold out the lines of the sketch that you already made. The third process would be the coloring. The coloring is pretty simple. It's when you color the pictures. It's when you color the pictures in the bolded out sketch. And the last process would be adding water glue. Water glue is very essential in making batik since it prevents the color from the batik to wash away when you're washing the batik. And after that, the only process left is to dry the batik and see what result you get. So right now I am drawing the sketch, and the sketch that I have in mind is the symbol of our city, which is the surah fish and the crocodile kaya. This, as you can see, is the surah fish, and after this I will be drawing the crocodile kaya. If you don't know about the legend of Surah and Baya, the main point of the story is that Surah and Baya share one territory. However, one day they got out of hand and were fighting. Since they both were so strong, none of them were able to defeat each other, and gradually they started to die, I guess. They started to die as their opponent was just as strong as them. So the conclusion is that they both died. However, they managed to be a very iconic symbol of Surabaya. You've already finished the sketch, then the next thing you have to do is bold out the lines of the sketch. By bolding out the lines of the sketch, I mean that you have to use the chanting and also use the wax. The bolding out part of the sketch is very important since without these bolded lines of the sketch, then it would really be batik and the coloring would be a total. So you might ask, how do you bold out the lines of the sketch? Well, you bold it out by picking up the chanting and then dipping it into the wax, into the liquid wax which you have melted, and you just sort of follow the lines here. There isn't really a rule on which lines you should go for first. However, I feel like it's better if you start from the corners. So after we finish the bolding and also the sketch, the next thing we will do is the coloring. The coloring is basically the part where you color all these caps within the sketch, within the bolded out sketch, and we will start it now. So now we are going to do the process of the watercolors. The first step is to put in some water glass.
Stop.
And the second step is to pour in some water, 2 or 3 times more than the amount of water glass. After you've done that, the next process is to mix in the water and water glass. When that process is finished, you just spread the water glass into the picture that you did. You will have to mix a bowl of water and some water glass and wait for it to completely boil. After that, all you have to do is just put your project inside the boiling water. This will not only strengthen the colors, but it will also remove the wax, and it will be more visually stunning if the wax is removed. After you boil the cloth, the next step is to put it into cold water and see if the water is changing color or not. If the water isn't changing color, then you are doing everything correctly. However, if you still see some colors in this water, then that means you made a wrong move in the process.